What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Culver City. Here at the Westfield Mall. Came, less than a week ago. Didn't really find much. But I did have to meet with one of the homies. Gonna meet him around the corner, so I don't know. Figured I'd check out the mall. Why not? I did come here earlier during the week. Didn't really find anything. Didn't find anything. She's got their TV going. Okay. Alright, let's look around. Hopefully more than the last time I came. Last time was like right before it closed, so I don't know, maybe we'll find something today. We'll see. Alright, see what's going on at this Foot Locker. Haven't really seen too much. This might be a quick trip and we might add something else. We'll see. Dang, they still got these. I think this is 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. This is the same one. Only one pair left, but damn, that's cheap, 30 bucks. We saw these down to 20 for a minute. Got some mids? Okay. I've never seen this place have stuff. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Not bad. Not bad at all. These are the coconut. They call these what, the coconut milk or something? Okay. And then the diamonds. People were on these. These don't look bad. I think I have one of these at home. Not bad. I need to send that out to my boy. Damn, I need to hurry to send that out. Okay, that's pretty dope. Haven't seen heat like that in a while. Haven't seen any Jordans here in a while, to be honest. Other than these, we have seen these. These are going for 63. These are going for 58 at Shoe Palace. Some Diodoras I've never seen before. The Ed 9002s. Got some nice weight on it. A little galaxy colorway too. Little space, what is that? Space picture or? Okay. Damn, I can't talk. Those are going for $120. Still got those hairs. Prices still haven't gone down in a while. Still got these bad boys right here. These totally remind me of like the G unit stuff from way back when. I don't know. The workouts go for 50 bucks, maybe 90. Then they got all the South Park ones, or most of them. This is for Kyle right here, right? For Kyle. 100 for these superstars. Forums. These are for freaking for Eric. Yep. 100 bucks for these. Super plush. Maybe a little too much for my blood. Stan version right here. This is endorsed by Stan. That's actually pretty funny. Stan Smiths. Of course, they got to use the Stan Smiths for Stan, right? These are going for $120. And then we got Kenny right here. Oh my God, you killed Kenny. That's funny. These are going for $160. The NMDs. Stitched them up right there. Got the blood coming out. That's funny. Okay, not bad. That's the first place we've seen all of them, so not bad. All right, so we are about to hit up Feature, one of the more premium boutique shops. Been to quite a few boutique shops on my channel, and I realized I haven't been to all of them in Los Angeles. What the hell, dude? So yeah, we do got Feature. They have what, 3 different locations, a couple in Vegas, and then out here. So yeah, let's go check them out. I didn't know their store was so small. They do have all the brands they do carry. They got so much stuff. They got 2 different pages. Okay, 2 different pages, 2 different windows to display all the brands. Not the biggest store, but look at all the sneakers they got. Oh my goodness, it just keeps going. Oh, there's a mirror at the end. I'm like, that fool's dressed like me. That is fire. They have mirrors up top too. Looks like sneakers go on forever. That is dope. They're so high end. They got stuff I've never even heard of. Lanvin from Paris. That boy's going for $8.90. Okay, super high end. Love that skater look. Man, that's dope. Got off-white stuff as well. They got a ton of off-white sneakers here. Haven't really seen too many of the non-Nike ones. $5.70 for those. These are going for $4. $7.80 for these bad boys. These are definitely different. Okay. Then $5.70 for these. These are the B2s. Okay. It's a different tag right there too. Do got all kinds of brands I've never seen before. Acne Studios. Never seen that. $3.50 for these. Okay. Do got a mixture of all kinds of stuff. Got Adidas right here. The NMDs going for $2.20. This is one of the Human Race ones, right? Am I off? I don't know. OG Ralph Sampson's going for $90. I don't think I've seen this colorway of the suede. This is totally different. Okay. $100 for these. Never seen this one. Okay. Hey, nice weight. Dude, still got some Gore-Tex Jordan 1 highs. $2 for these. Okay. Also got the Glow 13s. Haven't seen these in a while. I saw them opening weekend and then haven't seen them since. Air Force 1 highs. These are always sold out everywhere. Dude got these here. $80. They go for retail game too. Okay. Okay. Checking out the women's section. I've never seen these. These are definitely interesting. Venus. I thought they were, I'm gonna be honest, I thought they were Vans. They said the Vehas. My bad, Vehas. $270 for these. Y'all want some sneakers that look like they're customized? Get some regular ones right here. Okay. $155 for these. Dude got some Dunks right here. I forgot what colorway this is, but $120. This is a women's. Okay. Got yellow, white, and gold. Okay, that's pretty dope. And then the acid wash, acid something. Not bad, not bad. $130. I am digging the music that they are playing. That's some OG Tupac stuff right here. Okay. $150 for the Comme des Garçons. This is back in the men's, but these are pretty much unisex, right? Got all the Comme des Garçons. Okay. $150 for that one. $150 for both of these as well. These are all based on the Chuck 70s too, so it's supposed to be higher quality stuff. I've seen the white, black, and even the green ones, but I've never seen these. Okay. Same price, $150. They only got just one little guy peeping on these. Okay. And then I've never seen this one either. Okay. $150 for these. I don't think I've ever seen these right here. MX 90s. $130 for these. Dang, they got all kinds of suede on it. A little much color wise, but I do love the material. That's dope. Then even KDs. So it's not all hype stuff here. Do got some regular sneakers. If y'all live kind of close, probably worth stopping by. Do got multiple colorways of the 550s. Definitely haven't seen this many colorways, too many spots. White and black, all white, all black. Got all of them. Yeah, definitely haven't seen 3 different colorways in a while, dude. $130 for all these. Okay. They do have hats. They have clothing, watches, accessories. Let's have another room. Holy crap. They got the collectible stuff as well. $1,500 for those. I'm good on that, man. Wow. And they got perfume and sneaker cleaner. Also got, oh, these are diffusers. I'm sorry. Oh, this is perfume and cologne. I don't know which. Okay. They got all kinds of stuff here. Dang. They even got a bunch of sneaker books here for the culture. Okay, okay. I think I kind of need that one. I have that one and the Off-White. Those are the only 2 sneaker books I have. Maybe I need to get that one. I think that's, okay, okay. They got Just Don merch. Man, I've never seen the Lakers Just Don ones. $75 for these, 758. Okay. Y'all know I'm not paying that much for a hat. And then look at this one right here. Damn, I'm afraid to touch that one. Dang. Dang, they do got fire stuff here. They got fire stuff. They got their own clothing. The feature, no, maybe that's just the feature tag. Jeff Hamilton. Looks super high end. Yeah, $850 for that jacket. Holy crap. They got a Lakers one as well. Same brand, same dude. Same price. Oh, not same price. $10.20 for that one. Dude, they got some high-end stuff here. Wow. This place is super fire. Super, super dope. Wow. I'm not going to look too much into the clothes because everything's a little out of my price range. Man, this place is fire. Got tons and tons of stuff that we haven't seen at most other spots. But yeah, that's dope. That's dope. All right, let's move on to the next spot. All right, guys, that was Feature, one of the Tier 0 boutique shops in the Los Angeles County area. They got some dope stuff. They do pricey as hell. Like, they got some super high-end stuff, kind of similar to like Alma Maniere and Social Status, but man, they do got some dope stuff. I hope you guys are following each and every one of those Tier 0 shops on Instagram or whatever the hell social media that you guys use, because when they come out with collabs like for their own shop, like that's the best way, the easiest way to get those sneakers. So I really hope you guys are following all those boutique shops. I did get these bad boys in Union Dunks. Did that by following Union, and y'all saw me hit up the raffle and stuff like that. I'm telling y'all need to follow all these shops. Got these social status dunks. Got these on their initial release when they first got them. I'm on year 3s. I'm on year 1s. Got both of these on the initial drop, and yeah, that's the best time to get them. I'm hoping Amamanier and Social Status, which are owned by the same people that use the same system as Union. I'm hoping that system's still good, because the last time the Union did that dunk drop, man, I felt like a lot of people were talking about it. We felt like a lot of them went to bots just because I don't know, like they didn't use that square, they used that freaking capture stuff, which is garbage. But I do know that when sneaker shops, when they have their own collabs and they release it on their site, that's probably the best time to get them, because like I said, they release tons and tons of pairs. They'll release, some of them will release like over 90% on their website, and then they'll release like 5-10% on sneakers. So that is the best chance. Hopefully you guys follow them, and good luck. But yeah, that was something different. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I'm trying to include more variety and try to include a bunch of different shops. I don't know why, but I realized I've hit up a bunch of boutique shops in different states, and that was like the most exciting thing, like hitting up all the boutique shops, stuff like that. I've hit up tons in Houston, also in Arizona, and I haven't hit up all the shops out here. So we definitely have to hit up a few more of the boutique shops. Dover Street Market, I don't think I've ever been there. SNS, I haven't been there. Union, I've been to the raffle bunch of times, but I've never been inside the store. Undefeated, I know Undefeated doesn't like cameras, but we'll see. But I'm gonna have to hit up a bunch of shops here. I've gone to a few here and there, but I haven't gone to all of them. So we're definitely gonna look forward to that. We're definitely gonna do that for sure. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of y'all that do make it to the end. Y'all know how much I appreciate that. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. Hope y'all enjoyed this one. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.